I think this video will absolutely be amazing and different in every way, because I tried to make it more personal, showing you things that I do, and I hope this video would inspire you. And yeah, so these are my like goals. I'll show you on the video, you might see it like I did. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shraddha and happy new year. I know the last year 2020 was so different and difficult for all of us. This was the year that made us realize that things can go very different and you have to find a solution to work according to the situation. And I wish you all the best and all the success for 2021. This year should be a lot more better than the previous year, and there are ways through which you can make this year way more better. And in this video today, I'm gonna discuss the ways and the things that I do and plan to make my life a little bit easier, because I like to plan. So this video is about planning your year, reflecting on the last year, which was 2020, how I balance everything. I do internship, thesis, vlogging, reading books, and so many things. So if you can learn something from this video, that would be a very proud moment for me, because through this video at least you could learn one thing. So if you're interested, then watch this video. It's very personal video. Usually I share these stuff on Instagram, so in case you're not following me on Instagram, please do, because yeah, Instagram is more about me, about positivity. So now let's begin the video. So I was going through the 2020 planning book that I have. I have this 2020 planner, and it's Shraddha, this I have written, and I was going through it, and for 2020, what goals I had set, the things I planned in 2020, the books that I read, the habits that I developed, like book reading, like journaling, like waking up early and going for walks and being positive, motivating others. So these were the habits that I have developed. Doing meditation was the bestest practice that I have developed in 2020, and I am so proud of it, because if your mind is not clear, you cannot take decisions, you cannot think clearly, you cannot take risks, and you are always afraid. And if the situation is not according to you, you get panicked and you get irritated easily. So to handle all these emotional dramas, emotional things, you actually need something for your mental health, and this is meditation. I highly recommend it. I make some Instagram reels as well on meditation, how I do it. So if you want to check them out, you can follow me on Instagram. And then I had books, 20 books that I read in 2020. I think you can see here, but I will attach the video. I developed this habit of reading books. I read like 20 books in 5-6 months, because I started reading in August, and I was like, okay, it's 2020, I should set a goal, like to see if I could achieve it. And it was like 20 books in 2020, and then it would be 2021, I would set a goal to 21 books, which is quite achievable. So that was the habit that I developed, and I'm so proud of it, because I have so much knowledge, wisdom. When people write a book, it's their whole life juice that they're putting inside one book. And just imagine if you can download that all information from a leader, from a person, from an expert, how much information you can download inside you within just a week of reading it. So it's so cool, so amazing. I would highly recommend you, if you are into finding motivation, inspiration, read books. That is the best way to get inspired to do things and to do good things. Yeah. And then the things that I achieved in 2020, like YouTube, or the YouTube thing, it's the best thing that has happened to me in 2020. If I was not asked to sit at home for 2 months because of the lockdown, I would have never started this YouTube channel, which I actually wanted to for years, and I always wanted to share what I have got, but I never had the courage, never had the time, never had the capability, or I don't know, I was just procrastinating those things. And COVID, in a way, that it gave me this new habit or new hobby through which I can connect with you guys and share what I have got to say. So thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you to you guys for watching my videos and giving me all the love that I have received in last year 2020. And I have set my goals and I could achieve most of them, but yeah, I couldn't achieve some of them, I would say, and I think I would try my best to achieve them this year. Like, I want to be more organized. I think I'm not that organized. Still, things lie here and there in my room, and in the background it looks really good, but if you look down, it's not really good. And I still want to continue workout. For 2021, I've set this goal, like working out every day in the evening at 5. That's my goal. Meditation, I have stick to it. I do it every morning for like 30 minutes, but yeah, workout is the thing that I am looking forward to. And there are some more things that I have taken up, like I want to increase the YouTube followers or subscribers to 100,000. It's a big dream, it's a big goal, I know, but I want to try it. If it is achievable or not, I think I'm gonna give my best. I'm gonna record more videos. I'm gonna come up with more ideas, more things, and more personal things, because I think I am more inclined to personal development, self development, and mindset and wisdom and those kind of stuff, which I think you guys would also enjoy at some point, because in life you really need these things in order to feel the peace, feel the happiness, feel the, I don't know, bliss in your life. You need these kind of things. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Would you support me if I make those videos? Would you like to see me talking about those things? Because I am more inclined to it. Then I set top 5 goals for myself, what I want to achieve, top 5 2021 goals. And I also made a really nice thing which I want to show you. And this is, every day I write 10 things that I'm grateful for, and this activates the positivity in me. And then I go to bed, which is really important, because when you're sleeping, your mind will replay all the thoughts that you had, and if your last thoughts before sleeping were positive, it gives the positive mindset, and it's easier for you to think about positive things. It doesn't have to be like a very big thing, like, I don't know, I am grateful for even if my flatmate cooks a breakfast for me, or for the bread. Today I found one of the best bread. Or it could be, I love the way my hair looked today. They are so beautiful. I love them. I cherish them. I didn't know how to take care of them, but now I do. So I love my hair. So that could also go into the journal. You don't have to wait for the really big things. It's all about the small things that really make the difference. And I write every day, I write like 10 things that I'm grateful for. That's the reason why I'm mostly positive and happy person. If you see my Instagram, you would come to know that how happy I am sometimes, that I'm dancing in the kitchen, or I'm just cooking, or I'm just having chill time, and I don't know, or I'm just smiling like this because I really feel good from inside. I just don't need anybody to make me feel special or to make me feel good. I am happy. And yeah, so these are my like goals. I'll show you on the video, you might see it. Like, I divided my 2021 goals in 6 categories, like relationships, social media, health, personal growth, finance, and intellectual skills that I want to learn. So these way you can divide your goals and you can analyze what things you want to learn in 2021. Like, I want to learn German, more time in workout, or I want to learn new strategy to grow my YouTube channel. I want to grow my Instagram followers. And so these way you actually set or give your mind the direction in which it has to work. Because if you don't give your mind the direction, it will pop you up or bombard you with the random thoughts that you don't like, and those random thoughts are sometimes very negative. So to avoid all the negative thoughts, you need to tell your mind what he has to work on, what you're looking for, what are your goals, so that he can or she can, whatever your mind is, he or she can think accordingly and help you in your self growth, self development, and in your journey. So personal growth, I want to develop a self care routine where I take some time to take care of my skin, of my hair, or my, I don't know, things that I care about, or organizing my room so that I feel good. And for the self growth or personal development, I've also put like 21 books. This time I want to read 21 books in 2021, which is, I think, very achievable. I want to find a job which is of my interest or which I love to do. So that is another goal for me for this year. And in terms of finance, I want to budget my things. I want to put my savings. I want to invest on my assets in order to achieve something good, in order to become and achieve everything, be good, like everything at once. The song, I really love this song because it is possible. It is possible to achieve whatever you want to if you set your mind to it. So first you need to tell your mind what exactly you want, and then it will work according to you. So I think this video will absolutely be amazing and different in every way because I tried to make it more personal, showing you things that I do, and I hope this video would inspire you. And if it did, then please give it a like and share with your friends who would also be very, very happy to plan 2021. And yeah, it is something that could be applied to anybody. And I would see you in my next video with more useful information. Till then, bye.